Ever wondered if the highest office in the land, the presidency, can shield an individual from prosecution? That's a question that has been at the heart of numerous legal debates, especially in the light of recent events. In a landmark ruling, a federal appeals court rejected the claim of immunity from prosecution for alleged criminal acts committed during the presidency. This case revolved around former President Donald Trump and his alleged involvement in the interference of the 2020 election. Trump's lawyers had argued for immunity based on a 1982 Supreme Court ruling. This ruling, they claimed, protected former presidents from prosecution for actions taken during their tenure. But the appeals court disagreed, stating that the presidency does not place former occupants above the law. This legal battle didn't happen overnight. Trump's lawyers presented their arguments, the prosecutors presented theirs, and the court took time to deliberate. In the end, the court ruled that former presidents do not have blanket immunity, and that Trump is now a citizen with the same defenses as any other criminal defendant. This case is just one of 4 criminal prosecutions Trump faces. The key issue in these cases is whether the trial can take place before the election. The court also stated that the prospect of federal criminal liability could deter abuses of power. This ruling could have far-reaching implications. It challenges the notion that the presidency can act as a shield against prosecution, thereby potentially deterring future abuses of power. It also reaffirms the principle that no one is above the law, not even a former president. In conclusion, the court's ruling has set a new precedent. It has clarified that a former president does not have immunity from prosecution for actions taken during their tenure. This ruling could potentially influence the outcome of the other 3 criminal cases Trump currently faces. It's been a journey, an unfolding of events that led to a court ruling that could change the course of American politics. A former president indicted, a court ruling that challenges long-held beliefs, and a potential deterrent for future abuses of power. The takeaway? The law applies equally to all, regardless of their office or status.